guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, Bonbon's Vlog. Oh. Karon diya si Bonbon, ambot kinsay gipaki-ispihan ani niya tawon, kaluoy.
I'm Mr. Chair.
Ay Mr. Chair, saan ang punta mo? Bakit ganyan ang attire mo?
I'm punta to the... I don't know.
I don't know. You said you are going to ride a helicopter, but when I ask you where is your helicopter, it's already crashed.
Yeah.
So, bakit nabuhay pa ang sumakay?
Because they stole my helicopter crash in the forest.
Tigla, ginoo ko.
And then I have no more helicopter because I'm land here.
Jesus, ginoo. Nya, asa man kakaroon mo adto? Asa ka mo adto?
My house crashed in the airplane.
Jesus, ginoo. Kinsa may nasa airplane?
It's my friends.
Kinsay friend nimo nga nasa airplane?
That one. The cat is in the island.
Oh? Kinsa may pangalan anak nga cat?
His name is Pongkod.
Na.
Because my name is Mr. Chair. You can call me Chair. Because
Oh, Mr. Chair, ano naman ngayon ang agenda natin?
the agenda you use your sleepers. You use your sleepers.
Oh, anong nangyari sa mga sleeper? Nakaano lang yun doon eh, nakalagay lang ng mabuti tapos ngayon ginalaw mo lang, wala na.
Because I said you use your sleepers.
I have my sleeper already, oh.
I
Look.
was your hat.
Oh, I don't have a hat.
I have my
Ibalik mo muna yung sleeper doon, dali. Ilagay mo ulit sa kinalalagyan niya. Dali.
Okay.
Dahil pagod akong
When you
mag-ayos-ayos ngayon.
subscribe in the channel and click in the bell.
Oh. Subscribe my channel and please share my video. Oo. Unsa naman na, Mr. Chair?
I'm just nothing.
Ayusin mo ang mga chinilas, Mr. Chair. Pulutin mo yung isang kalo mo na, ano,
There's a cockroach. Oh, this
ayusin mo yung isang hat na parang putik na ang kulay. Oh, it's not my hat.
You use it and you can be like me.
Ugoy, ginoo ko. I can be like him. Diara si Kuan. Kaluan na. Ginoo ko. Oh. Anya, unsa man?
There's a fire. There's a kaboom out there. You cover your ears and don't get
Anong music meron dyan sa head earphones mo? Anong music?
nothing.
Sus.
My
Kumbaga, kuan lang na siya. Props.
yeah. My headset is broken.
Ogoy.
Because I'm going to helicopter and I drop my headset. It is go back now.
Ay, sus, mo di ay. Ampingan lagi ni mo ng gamit lagi. Dapat ampingan ang gamit.
What you said?
Kausapin mo ang, ano mo, friend mo.
My friend,
Tanungin mo bakit siya nabuhay.
because this house is not better like her because his house is buhay.
Ano?
His house, my friend said, this house is buhay
This house is buhay.
because this house is so old because it's not like this house.
O ngayon, sumakay ka na sa, ano mo, helicopter mo.
He's not here yet.
Asa man di ay.
In the forest. He's far away.
Goy. Saang forest ba yon?
In the jungles.
In the jungle?
Yeah.
Oh. Tapos,
Mama said, what Mr. Chair?
what Mr. Chair?
What you playing?
Taro nga kay na ni ebidensya, naka-video ni. Oh. Unsa may ingon ni mama nimo?
Mama said, but is he playing Bacraba? Use my glasses.
No.
Why?
Magsakit akong ulo.
Okay.
Ikaw ra kay anadmang ka.
Because she wants me to share because I can
You can unsa.
I can look.
Nganong nag-ilis man ka asa day ka paingon tuod?
I don't know.
Sa man na labhonon na.
No, it's not. This is my hat.
Taro nga diya sige ilis ha kay daghan kay kag labhonon.
Because
nag-ilis nimo?
no me.
Ako'y ginoo ko. Sabwag na po to ako mga sinam.
Ikaw ray nagbuot-buot dito kuha sa sininaan basig sa labhonon na gikuha nimo.
Hindi ako ng mga kuan karon.
I get it in the closet.
You get in the closet but the closet now is messy.
Just like that talaga.
No, Bonbon.
Nana,
Is it right, Mr. Chair? Is it right?
Yeah,
The closet is very messy na.
because it's so messy. Because you can
Na, because ito mini, hindi na makita ang hinahanap. Kaya naging messy.
You can sing like that in your channel. And click in the bell and search for my name.
Wait.
Mr. Chair.
Oh, Major Chair. Major lagi.
Or not.
Nahimo na tanig, Major Chair.
My name. And you can call me Mr. Chair Leon El Vapor.
Oh, page 1. No.
Yeah.
Ay, goy, ginoo. My name is Leon Vapor, page 1.
El Vapor. I'm only Mr. Chair.
Major Chair o Mr. Chair?
Di lang niya mapuan.
Mr. Chair.
Major.
Mr. Chair nga, mister.
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
Taro nga lagi kuan balitok kay di ko kasabot. Ang ako pagdungog lahi.
Why you nakadumog?
Oh. Eh, bulol man ka.
Lulol mulog.
Bulol ka, you cannot speak clearly.
Okay.
That's why I heard Major Chair,
What?
not Mr. Chair.
What you call me?
Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
I call you Mr. Chair.
And you see the camera.
The camera. Oh. I'm here. Hello, guys.
You go back where's your next?
Later on. Oh, dito tayo. Dali. Oh, kausapin mo na yung mga fans mo. Thank you for watching my video.
Bye-bye.
Thank you muna.
Thank you in my video. See you next.
Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw mag-ingon, dili ako. Sige na.
Salamat sa bye.
Hello,
Hello
guys.
guys. Today
Please keep watching my videos.
and click
Click
in the bell and search for my name.
and subscribe. Share and watch.
And the videos, and then you put that one in next meet your chairs here. You wait.
Okay.
You wait meet your chair.
Okay.
I'm
Malapit na ba?
later.
Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo?
Meet your chair's almost here.
Aw.
It's almost here.
O imong friend o, nana o. Is that your best friend o your brother?
It's my best friend.
Aw.
Because my name is Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Yeah, that's my name, Mr. Chair. Because to
You practice what?
dance.
To dance?
Look. Practice.
Be, let me see how you dance. Dito. Yan. Oh, you dance na.
No, wait. I'm poking. I'm getting my song now.
Agoy ayaw na pagkuan kay makuanta ni YouTube. Nawa na, nagsaksak na, murag tinuod.
No, lagi. Ay, nako.
Ayaw na kay makuanta, ma-restricta ni YouTube.
No.
Mr. Chair is want to sing. Not watch, only singing.
Nagpabango pa. Kaninong pabango tuod imong gigamit dong?
I got it I get it to my helicopter.
Saan galing yung pabango mo?
I get it to your closet. Mama needs the closet.
It's from my closet, not or yes or no?
Yes.
No? I promise?
Yeah.
It's not from my closet.
And I got this picture chair now.
What's the name of your cat?
Picture chair cat.
Mr. Chair. Anong pangalan ng pusa mo?
Picture chair cat.
Mr. Chair?
Yeah.
Mr. Chaircat.
Ano ba yan?
Because it's like me, it's my friends. Because I have many friends I have.
Okay. So, maora to ang tanan.
Maura to.
Maora to ang tanan, guys. Gikapoy na si Mr. Chair.
Anak kapoy, anak kapoy. Anak init.
Maura to, magbabay na. Dali na.
No. I'm not telling the truth first.
Ha? What truth?
I tell. Wait.
What you tell the truth?
One for the time,
Once upon a time.
Nature Chair have a birthday party.
O, dito ka humarap sa ano ko, video. Para alam nila.
And then,
Sabi mo, sasabihin mo ang totoo.
and then somebody broke Nature Chair party. And then Nature Chair scared. The next, the cat rescue Nature Chair and next done. That's how my story.
So, that's the end of your story now.
Yeah.
Okay.
With
Oh,
the PT.
Yan ba ang nagligtas sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ah.
I fight mom.
Dali na, Goldie. Tayo naman. Kaya may eskwela na raba ka. Come here, Goldie.
Diarang ebidensya. Mr. Chair, lumayo-layo ka dyan, Mr. Chair. Dito ka, banda sa akin, Mr. Chair.
I stop to pick your mouth.
Madamay ka pa sa pusa. Uy, ginawa ko pagbabay na Bon sa ato video Bon. Bye-bye.
Goldie.
Maura to guys. Bye-bye. Ay nata. Maura to guys among video.
Bye-bye. No.
Maghimo na pud mi outro og lain content. No?
Bye-bye.
Ah.